Hi guys, today we will be telling you how to make an animation in Scratch. How to make an animation in
Scratch.
First load up Scratch 3.0. First
You can
load
do
up
it. You can do it in
3.0.
Chrome
You
or
can
the
do
app. You can do it in
You can
Chrome
doing it in
or
the
the app.
Yeah. First you will get this bright color. First you will get this
Which is
bright
actually
color.
the cat
Bright one.
sprite.
Hey,
Which is actually
you
the
can
cat sprite.
first choose a backdrop. I'm choosing
First choose a
backdrop. I'm choosing like a board. Now we need to at least have two sprites to now we need to at least have two sprites to an animation. Convert
Yes, guys.
an animation.
Yes, guys.
Let's get
Guys, also shout out to awesome
Guys,
programs. Also
yeah,
shout
we'll
out to
keep the link
awesome
in the
programs.
we'll keep the link in the Sorry for interrupting. Sorry for interrupting. If you want to turn it around, then if you want to turn it around, and then you can do like costume and flip horizontal, flip vertical, flip horizontal, flip vertical. See guys, get it back. Now let's start the animation. Now let's start the animation. Go to the events and click on click. Go to the events and block, click to the script area, which is over here. To the script area, which is over here. So according to that, it will perform accents on according to that,
Yes,
it will
guys.
perform accents on this stage. Now I'm making
Yes, guys.
this go first. Now I'm making this go first. Only use this block because you will not know how many seconds is this. Because you will not know how many seconds is this. So now go to this block or this sprite. So now go to this block or this sprite and go to here. You need to put one. Wait. You need to put one block. Wait 2 seconds. Block. Then put another 2 seconds block. Then put one over here block. And put one over here. Put over here. And put over here. Text that's this. Any text that's this. Tell you. For example,
Guys,
let me tell you.
guys,
R
guys, also shout out to It's Beaston. Guys, also shout out to It's Beaston. We also put another link.
Dog. Bro, that was trash. Bro, that was
Guys,
trash.
also shout out to It's Beaston. We'll put the link. Guys, also shout out to It's Beaston. We'll put the link.
Let's keep this. Now over here, let's keep. Oh, not that. Yes. Oh, not that. I am dog. A dog. Let's put this.
Why didn't you?
And over here, let's put.
Why didn't you?
And over here, let's put. Thanks. Bye. Now let's make another costume. Let's make it. Just leave it like this. Let's make it painted. Just leave it now like this. At last, now when switch costume to At last, she switched costume to costume. Switch costume to costume.
And over here,
One.
let's keep. And over here, let's keep.
Bye.
Now let's
Bye.
do the same to this. Now let's do the same to this.
Time for the backdrops. Time for the backdrops. This is 5 blocks.
That means you need
This
to
is 5
make it 5 times 2.
That means you
which
need
means
to
10.
make it 5
So
times
keep
2,
it over
which
here.
means 10.
So keep
When-
it over here.
Oh, first let's go into
When-
the backdrop.
Oh,
Let's
first
put
let's
the
go into
backdrop.
the
One.
backdrop.
Let's put the backdrop. 1.
The
N.
the
N. Now let's go over here. Now
Which
let's
way?
go over
The-
here.
more rocks.
Which way?
Get this
More
over
rock.
here.
According to the
Get
amount
this over
we
here.
should put that many
According
seconds.
to the
For
amount,
me,
we
it's
should
10
put that
seconds.
many seconds.
For me, it's 10
Now
seconds.
let's go to
Looks. Now let's go
in
to looks. Switch backdrop.
into
Switch
backdrop.
backdrop.
1, 2, backdrop.
Now
1.
Now we'll show
Now
you the story. I mean animation.
Now
we'll show you the story. I mean animation. Bye guys. We like
Bye,
you a
guys.
lot. We like you a lot.